galaxy far, far away, once was a hero, was the greatest man in the world. He had fame, power, and wealth beyond your wildest dreams. For the unhuman on the gallows, these were the final words he said. My fabulous treasure is yours for the taking, but you'll have to find it first. Double Rainbow will lead the way. Yeah, no, Double Rainbow. Oh yeah, Double Rainbow.
So, we need chocolate chip cookies jar just in case, and dynamite to burn all the babies!
Sorry guys, bad news, I can't be for some time going on treasure hunt. #daily crap, #treasure, #Ina is crazy.
We need some medical equipment. And we also might need extra hands.
This night, Mother Slacker is packing deadness and #trash, #stain, #Tina is crazy.
What the hell is Salvador's badonkadonk?
My helmet! I cannot be seen without my helmet!
Sword? Seriously?
Why?
For the glorious Eden, of course!
You are the Zerker, for God's sake.
But I want to be a paladin!
When you will chop off your hand, it will be mine to keep. However, I'm legally obligated to tell you that I ain't a real doctor.
I'm in the madhouse. #my life, #kill me please, #Tina is crazy.
Some time has passed, and our hero wanted to reach Double Rainbow's end. He saw Great Mountain.
Hey, lazy people! We found the cave. The treasure must be inside.
But the entry is blocked. What should we do now?
Piece of cake. I say macro, you say monster. Macro? You guys suck.
Do you need a hand?